Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the game Alt-Tab black screen problem on Windows 11. If your screen turns black for a few seconds when you Alt-Tab out of a game, or when you switch back to the game, the issue can often be caused by the display mode, resolution, or refresh rate. First, open the game where you are having the problem. Go to the Video, Graphics, or Display Settings. Look for the Display Mode option. If it is currently set to full screen, change it to borderless windowed or borderless. This allows Windows to manage the game window more smoothly when you switch between the game and other applications. It can also prevent the display from performing a full mode change every time you use Alt-Tab. Now, make sure your resolution and refresh rate match. Right-click an empty area on your Windows desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and open Advanced Display. Check the resolution currently being used by your monitor. It should normally be set to the monitor's native resolution. Next, check the refresh rate. If the game uses a different resolution or refresh rate, change it so that it matches your Windows display settings. After making these changes, launch the game again and test Alt-Tab several times. Thanks for watching.